We have created a new file as new.html. Firstly, we are going to install our snippets. Type Bootstrap and you will easily see and install. There are some settings. If you don't want to see these snippets in your project, you can disable globally or disable only on that project. If you disable it globally, you should enable that when you want to use it. This is the structure of our website. We are going to place a navbar in the header. In the main part, there will be a container and a row inside it. Inside that row, there will be two columns. The first column is 8 units and the second is 4 units long. Under the first column, there will be some text, a form and a card. Under the second column, there will be some text and a modal. At the bottom, there will be an alert inside the footer section. When you type BS5, IntelliSense shows you the options. $sign at the very top is our main template. Hit Tab to use. Then hit Tab for the next step or hit Shift Tab for the previous step. If you somehow see multiple cursors, press Escape to make it single. Now we are going to add a navbar. If you write Navbar or BS5 Navbar, our options will come. Select the default one. Expand after medium screen size. Type brand. If you don't want the IntelliSense, press Escape. If you want to show it again, press Ctrl Space. You can change the IDs synchronously. You can change the link names and hrefs fast. Our dropdown will be Contact. You can change its ID. Alt-Z for word wrap. There is also a search button. If you don't need it, just delete. After completing the steps, you can change classes to customize your navbar. As you see, our navbar is ready. Our drop-down works. And our search bar is an outline button. Now I am going to add a grid to the main section. I write BS5 grid in order to reach containers, rows, and columns. Here, the snippets gives you some options in the class attribute. Here, your next snippet is ready, but in order to use it, press Escape, then press Ctrl Space and select the second option, not the emit one. Select the row options as you wish. You can even delete them. I am going to add custom columns, so I delete those. I write BS5 grid and select the call. Here, you can set the length, order, offset, and the alignment of the column. I am changing the column length of the first column to 8 units and that of the second column to 4 units. I will add some text here. If you have installed the Live Preview extension, click here to see the result. I will add a form and type PS5 form inside it. There are many options for form inputs. I select the default one. PS5 form input. I hit tab and customize one by one. You can change the related fields synchronously, like the same IDs. Now I will add an email. Lastly, I will add a submit button. Type PS5 submit. Also, you can type PS5 button. Let's add a card. Type PS5 card and select the default one. You can select any image here. With those snippets, you can easily add the accessibility attributes. So, our first column is ready. Let's look at our second column. I'm going to add some text here. Now let's add a modal with PS5 modal. You can change the modal ID or modal title ID synchronously. Let's add an email input here. So let's test. When you click the modal, box opens. There is an automatically added script block. Place it near the other scripts. Now let's add an alert at the bottom of our page. We will type PS5 alert in the footer section. Use the closable one. You can move the automatically added script block. Place it near the other scripts. We have a little fix. Make sure that all content must be under the column tags. You should check it by minimizing those divs. When you minimize, it should look like that. Now let's look at the browser. Everything seems fine. You can add margin padding or use alignment utilities for a better look. Let's look at the responsive view. Press F12 and narrow the screen. As you see, our menu becomes hamburger button. Our first column comes first order and the second column lies below it. And our model still works.